सो गाइस अभी मैं घूम रहा था यहाँ पे, तो मेरे को घूमते घूमते यहाँ पे एक बंदा मिला जो कि फिनिश है और वो यहाँ से स्ट्रॉल करता हुआ जा रहा था। तो मैंने सोचा मेरी एक फ़ोटो खींच दे, तो उसने बोला बिल्कुल खींच देते हैं फ़ोटो। बट फिर वो बैठ गया मेरे साथ और भी हम लोग बातें कर रहे हैं। सो दिस इज़ टेक योर नेम।
I'm Marco.
Marco. So
I'm from Tampere.
Yeah, and he's from Tampere. And what you do in Finland? Like you are working or you student?
Yeah, I'm a taxi driver.
Okay, so he's a taxi driver and he's a very cool guy. And people are always reserved here, I heard, right? But
Yeah,
you are not
pretty
reserved.
No,
You are not Finnish, I guess.
I am, but my work I have to be social.
So what do you suggest to people like when they come to Finland? What should they do? Like maybe 2-3 things that you can say, like if you do this it will be good. If you are in Finland you should do this. Suggest something for the people who will come in future.
Maybe eat some traditional foods here.
And name them.
In Tampere we have this black sausage.
Okay.
It's legendary. It's only in Tampere.
Okay.
It's pretty horrible, but it's really good.
And it is made up of?
It's like blood and rye.
Okay.
Something like that.
Okay. But something vegetarian. Let's say if people cannot have blood.
I don't know. I'm meat eater.
All right. So any other thing that one should do?
Probably go to ice hockey game.
Ice hockey game.
Really
Yeah. Finland is known for that.
Yes.
Yeah. And can you name some big players from Finland who is in like ice hockey?
Yeah. Nowadays Patrick Laine, Teemu Selänne, Jari Kurri. We have lots. We've been good in ice hockey for ages.
And which all players have won Stanley Cup? Like Finnish players.
Teemu Selänne, Jari Kurri, Esa Tikkanen. There's like
I cannot even take the names, you know.
Yeah,
they are
there's a lot of
but they are legends. Yeah,
there's lots of
sure.
Finns who won many players in NHL. So
okay. And what sports do you like? Last question for you.
I'm mountain biker.
Okay, mountain biker. So
yes.
Mountain biking is his thing, and he said he have GoPro at his hotel, but he did not bought it. But he was thinking to make something with that. Right?
Yeah, ride electric scooter and film it. But
yeah, you should do it, man.
Maybe I will do it tomorrow.
So you are tomorrow here only?
I leave it during the day.
Okay, during the day around what time?
Like 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
So I have time if I don't have too hard.
I recommend you should like do content making. If you really want to do this, man.
I was going to do it, but maybe I do it tomorrow if I don't have too much hangover.
If you keep on doing, hangover. He's a beer drinker.
yes. I was looking for beer.
Is there any beer name that is like famous here that people normally drink?
There's lots of beers.
But
so
like any famous?
Like Karahu.
Karahu?
Yeah.
Okay.
Aura.
There's
lots of beers here.
All right. So see you guys and see you, man, someday again. And there is Aura River, right?
Yeah, Aura.
Aura. So see you. So I will try this, and it is handmade. What is the name of this? Like this name?
Salmiakki.
Salmiakki.
Yes.
Salmiakki. So I will try this salmiakki, the local chocolate, and it is also called salt licorice. And I will tell you people how it tastes, if I will like it or not. But Finnish people, they eat it like almost their whole life. It is not bad, too good. I really like this, man. And in Turku, I tasted this. So see you from Turku, the review. Now, how is it?
It's really good. Tastes a little bit like toffee.
Toffee. And toffee is what?
There's like different kinds of salmiakki here.
Okay.
That's pretty soft. Like.
And it is like the best one or no? Like, do you suggest?
It's good.
It's good. Okay. All right.
Electric
Hub.
station, something like that. These are pretty good.
Prison. You said how the food is like it's a prison food, right?
Yeah, prison food.
And why is that?
Well, it looks like it.
Just because it looks like this, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, you need to.
Muikku.
So
All
Latin name you can say. You need to.
Muikku.
So Latin name you can say. Movement behind here. That charges the watch. So these don't have any batteries.
Että se jätättää sekunnin vuorokaudessa.
Siltä se tuntuu.
I asked, can we make a bull's head? Okay, why not? We made that. And then I thought, well, let's make something that's important for us, so beer. So we made a beer glass.
Onko tuossa joku muun face tai
Joo, kyllä.
Maybe it's drunk dude who fell down.
There were few summers. Just wonder what. Yes.
Only in Turku.
Oh, of course it's always like.